Justin Adams out in Jefferson County, and Justin, hurricane force winds are expected along the foothills, and it sounds like you are experiencing those winds already.
Yeah, Brian, I've never been in a hurricane, but this is hurricane force winds to say the least. We were talking about it was going to be 35 miles per hour. That gust that you just heard on my mic, that's a whole lot more than that. And I want to show you some of the swaying grass that we have right here. You can just see how it is and also how dry everything is. I mean, my goodness. Really dry, just seeing just all this grass that we have around here, and it's one of the main reasons why you got to be very careful, especially with hurricane type winds that we have right here, because any spark of fire on this could really go and quickly just go over as fast as possible. So it's one of the things to definitely keep an eye on today. But guys, as we've been driving out throughout Golden, all the way where we're at here at I-78 Genesee, just been very windy, and it's supposed to pick up throughout the day as well. Also want to talk quickly about a red flag warning that we have here. It's going to be from 11 o'clock in the morning until 9 o'clock in the evening. Very windy, as you just heard right there. Really hard to stand, to say the least, right now. So guys, if you don't mind, I'm going to go right back inside the First Alert weather tracker. I'm going to turn it back over to you and get myself out of these conditions, to say the least, guys. Back to you.
Yeah, if it's not getting Justin around, right? You know the wind is strong.
Former football player Justin,
exactly.
knocking around all over the place.
All right, Justin, thank you.